let's talk with you about a property like text. If previously this property was indeed very relevant and used very often, today it is not a very popular property. And let me explain why. In the past, when you created a master component and changed the text in it, the text changed everywhere. This property was created specifically so that in the child component, the text would not change if you had this property. Now, Figma has long known how to solve this problem. As soon as you are in the child component, you change the text and then went into the master component and changed the text. The connection between the text is broken. The only way to restore this connection is to right-click and select Reset All Changes. But let me show you how to create this property. Select the master component and where it says Property, click and choose Text, then you select the name of this property. Let it be text, and by default, the value will be called, for example, button create property. The next step is to link this property with the elements in the master component. Let's select our text. We see that it says David, and we'll establish a connection here by clicking Apply Variable Property and choosing Now. By default, the text will be written here, button. And in the child component, as you saw, it also changed to pin button. If we want to change the text there, it's enough to click once on the child component. And in the right menu, where it says button, simply replace the text, for example, with some text. As you can see, if we change the text in the master component, it will not change in our child component. But there is still a connection between them, in the sense that if we change the visual aspect by doing something like shift more, it will change everywhere. If we change the size or perform some manipulations with it, with the font, we can even change its positioning. As you can see, it will change in the child component, but the text itself will not. It will remain unchanged until you click and select Reset All Changes. Then it will apply the same properties as the master component. The content, and specifically text. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful to you. Feel free to use it and leave your comments. All useful links will usually be in the description.